welcome to Garden Club this week. Because we're still preparing for the Festival of Plants next week, this is just going to be a short little summary of some of the things that you could still do this weekend in your garden for wildlife. So number one, it's been really, really warm and we haven't had any rain for quite some time, so please put out some water for the wildlife. They will be appreciative. If you've left a little part of your lawn unmown, take part in No Mow May, and before the end of the month, Plant Lab is asking you to record the wildflowers and then it can tell you how many bees your lawn can support. If you have a pond, top it up with some rainwater that you may have left in your water butt. Try to avoid using any water from the tap, as that can add nutrients to the water and make it go green. And finally, look out for the things that you can do for wildflowers and plants at our Festival of Plants next week. We look forward to seeing you there. Have a wonderful weekend. Goodbye.